What is an industrial blast cabinet? Hi, I'm Gideon from Vapor Honing Technologies, and let's talk about it. An industrial blast cabinet is a machine that is made with quality products and has the durability to clean, strip, and polish your parts 24/7. We at Vapor Honing Technologies create equipment ready for that task every day. In today's video, we'll be covering what makes our commercial vapor honing machines industrial. Our industrial lineup consists of the VH800FL, the VH1000, and the VH3500, and many, many more. For more information on sandblasting cabinets, check the link in the description below. So let's talk about the machines themselves. The components added to the cabinets qualify them as industrial, which we will expand upon that topic more later. Speaking of our cabinets though, they are built to last. Our metal cabinets are made of a thicker metal than our competitors, and our plastic ones are extremely durable, as you can see from the video here, which is also linked in the description below. This durability is carried throughout our entire machine lineup and is why we are able to offer our lifetime warranty, unlike our competition. An integral part of wet blasting is the compressed air. To control the air pressure mounted on top of our machines is the precision regulator. Being able to manipulate the pressure can prevent damage to delicate parts. This is important for plastic, soft metals, and other fragile materials. In our industrial machines, the pump provides a tremendous amount of flow. Besides providing the perfect amount of slurry to the blast gun, the pump makes sure the agitation system is creating the ideal water to abrasive mixture. These pumps are equipped with a durable polyurethane impeller that is abrasive resistant, allowing for it to last for a very long time. All our manual industrial machines come with a window wiper and window rinse. This greatly improves the visibility into your cabinet. The majority of our industrial machines have a closed loop system. This system reduces abrasive loss and tightens process control. This is important when using corrosion inhibitors. It is good to know that the majority of our machines operate on 110 volts, so they require no special power configuration. 220 volt hookup is optional, but it is required for machines with an added heater. Oh yeah, the heater is a great addition to your machine as it allows you to cut grease and oils quickly. Now that we've discussed all the industrial components included with your cabinet, let's look at the add-ons that make your industrial machine even more industrial. With the VH1000, 2000, and 4000, a track and cart system is available. This system allows you to roll heavy parts in and out of your machine. The second add-on is the abrasive density meter, which gives you a tight process control over the slurry, maintaining the 20% abrasive to water ratio that allows you to retain the same finish every time you blast. When precision and repeatability are important to your application, an abrasive density meter is a great investment. Just a reminder, all of our machines will create the same quality finish regardless of the cabinet size. The industrial badge is placed on machines with more creature comforts, process control, and depending on the cabinet, to be able to hold more of a load. One final note, if an industrial machine does not meet the processing speed or accuracy you require, we're certain that our automated machines can. If you would like to see one in action, click here. And make sure to subscribe as we will be covering them in more detail soon. For more information on our industrial machines, please contact us at 828-202-5563. Please check out our social media pages and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content. Thank you for watching.